Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Aries, let's see what's up with you. December 16 to 31, 2024. Okay, so for Aries, this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Okay, you're going to be very busy second half ng December. Marami kayong gagawin, no? Maraming mga responsibilities, task, trabaho, pero kayang-kaya nyo tong i-handle. Okay? So, kumbaga, pagdating sa multitasking, mabilis kayong kumilos, kayang-kaya nyong matapos, maasikaso yung mga bagay-bagay. So, your overall energy is the Four of Wands, which is stability. No? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong importanteng event, no, ngayong December 16 to 31, like a family gathering, may ikakasal sa family, pwedeng ikaw to or someone who is within your family. Merong celebration, no? So I feel like you are celebrating a very important event in your life. Pwedeng merong, yung iba sa inyo nakatanggap ng promotion or a major blessing. May natanggap kayong major blessing sa life ninyo. And some of you are sharing those blessings. You have the Four of Cups. I think ito yung hinihintay mo na blessing para sa'yo na finally nakuha mo na. But for some reasons, no, yung iba parang pag nakuha mo na, parang may isip mo, ay, ang laki pa ng responsibilidad nito, no? Ganon. Ang laki pa lang responsibility. But, actually, isipin mo na lang na at least, andyan na, nakuha mo na. For example, ikaw yung naglo-loan sa bangko, no, na ma-approve ka for a car loan or a home loan, no? A housing loan. And then, na-approve ka na. And then you realize na, wow, ang laki palang responsibility nun kasi marami kang kailangang bayaran, no? Malaki yung babayaran mo, things like that. Or anything na minanifest mo or hiniling mo na nakuha mo and hindi mo akalain na meron pala tong kaakibat na malaking responsibility. So, it's time for you to embrace that. Ganun talaga. At least, nakuha mo. 'Di ba? You have the Five of Cups as your challenge. So, merong regrets for some of you. Oo. I feel like itong regrets na to is a realization of ano talaga yung hinihiling mo. Sabi nga nila, be careful what you wish for because you might just get it. 'Di ba? So, in manifesting, marami nagsasabi na kailangan specific ka sa minamanifest mo. Kasi minsan, nakukuha mo yung minamanifest mo, pero it's not how you pictured it, no? What is the Five of Cups? Page of Pentacles. Maaring meron kang kailangan pang pag-aralan or matutunan sa lesson na to. Sa experience na mararanasan mo. Lalo na kung ito may kinalaman sa pera or transaction sa pera. Like kanina, no, is an example ko kung kayo nag-loan. Syempre, pag nag-loan ka, utang yon. And kung utang, dapat mo yun bayaran and it's an obligation, 'di ba? It's a responsibility. It's a big responsibility. Now, your opportunity as the Magician, I think dito na papasok yung abilities mo na you will push yourself to grow more, no? Na let's say dahil meron kang nakuhang malaking responsibility, mas ipupush mo yung sarili mo na mas maging madiskarte, to have multiple sources of income para magampanan mo yung responsibilities na yon. Oo, let's say, ayun nga, halimbawa, nung nag-loan ka sa bangko, isa lang yung trabaho mo, no? Yung source of income mo. And then na-realize mo na ay malaki pala yung responsibility mo monthly for the amortization, 'di ba? And then dun ka mas magiging creative kung paano mo dadagdagan yung income mo, no? So you have opportunity to tap into your skills, your knowledge, your talents, no? God-given talents, natural talents. At yun yung pwede mong i-monetize that will bring more income and more abundance sa buhay mo. What is the Magician? Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Something that you love to do. So, yung iba sa inyo, gagawin nyo na yung mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin. Kasi ngayon, parang may dahilan na kayo to explore your abilities. And definitely, this will make you become so busy. Pero, at least, no, nagagampanan mo yung iyong responsibilities. With the 10 of Wands as your blessing, maraming blessing, okay? This will also open to new experiences, new opportunities para sa inyo. I think you are networking as well. Mas malawak yung iyong mga connections, yung mga friends mo or mga kakilala mo that will help you grow your business or your career. Okay? So, you have time for a nap. Kailangan din daw na maging aware ka sa sleeping habits mo. So, some of you will find more time to take a rest. See, you are so blessed and poised. Yes. So, you are confident enough, no, Aries, na kayang-kaya mo tong mga responsibilidad na meron ka ngayon. At the more na nagtitiwala ka sa kakayanan mo, the more na binibless ka. Dahil syempre, yung confidence mo, yan yung nagbo-boost or nag-a-attract ng opportunities. Okay, so for your money, career, finances, I also see you receiving a good news. I don't know kung saang area of life yan, but there's good news. Something better awaits in your career, in your business, in your finances. So, pwedeng may bago kang pagkakaabalahan. And someone is also going to help you make that happen, no? So, you may pwedeng makikipag-collaborate ka sa iba. Oo. Meron kang makakasama rito. Okay, let's see sa love life naman. Playfulness, friendship. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you're single, you will spend more time with your friends na, to have fun, enjoy life, ganyan, huwag masyadong ma-stress. Kumbaga, you will enjoy the company of your friends around this time. And if you are in a relationship, I think may mga activities kayo ng partner mo, romantic partner mo, na parang for fun talaga na, let's say, pupunta kayo sa theme parks, you will travel, you will do mga activities na mas magpapatatag ng inyong relationship, yung bond ninyo mas tatatag. Okay, wow, guaranteed success. Oh, wow. Aries, may guaranteed success sa inyo. You're a star. O yung iba sa inyo, you are in the public life, or you may be a content creator, influencer, or someone na popular. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes. Kapag merong mga bagay na parang meron kang gusto, may standards ka sa buhay, panindigan mo yon. Oo, wag mong hayaan na babaan yung standards mo para lang ma-accept ka ng iba or kumbaga, para lang ma-please yung ibang tao. Okay? A journey, either physical or mental. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong travel opportunities ngayong second half ng December. Pwede rin naman tong, it's like a mental journey. So, pwedeng you are learning different talents, no? You are learning different abilities, different skills. Take yourself out on a date. So, ayan, ito, yung iba sa inyo, you will do things on your own. May mga times na you will, just focus on yourself. Kailangan natin yan, no? Time for yourself. And you will enjoy yung katahimikan ng pagiging mag-isa. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, hindi naman porket mag-isa ka, malungkot na. May mga pagkakataon na mas payapa ang isip, mas clear yung ating isip kapag we are only with ourselves. Like for example, you are out with nature, or nanonood ka ng sine kahit mag-isa, or kumakain ka sa labas kahit mag-isa, because this is your time for yourself, not to think of others. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.